and nations for the installation of South Africa's first democratic non-racial government. So these leaders from different quarters of the world, they were now going to install here, means to start the first South African democratic government. It was non-racial. It was not on the basis of any race. It was non-racial. There was no discrimination of whites and blacks. It was a democratic government. On that lovely autumn day, I was accompanied by my daughter Zinani. Nelson Mandela says that on this very day, historical day, I was accompanied by my daughter named Zinani. On the podium here means stage, Mr. de Klerk was first sworn in as second deputy president. He says that we started this function by giving the oath to Mr. de Klerk, who was selected at that very time as the second deputy president of South Africa. Then Thabo Mbeki was sworn in as first deputy president, and then after de Klerk, Mr. Thabo Mbeki was sworn as the first deputy president. It is swear, swore, and sworn. The three these present, past, and past participle. When it was my turn, Nelson Mandela says that when it was my turn, I pledged to obey. Pledge here means a serious promise or commitment. To obey, the commitment was that I will obey and uphold the constitution. Uphold in Urdu we can say बरकरार रखना, कि मैं आइन के तहत वो आइन जो पहले ही बनाया गया था मैं उसी को बरकरार रखूंगा. And devote myself. Devote means sacrifice. He takes the oath that I will devote myself, I will sacrifice my life to the well-being of the republic and its people, that I will work for the welfare of the South African people. To the assembled guests and the watching world, I said at that very time, and the guests who had come from the whole world, and the world was watching on their TV screens. At that very moment, Nelson Mandela says that I said, today all of us do by our presence here. He says that so many people who had gathered there, who were present there, confer glory and hope. He says, confer means to give. We have assembled here to give our glory, our pleasure, our happiness, and we hope to newborn liberty. And now at this very moment, we hope that this liberty, this freedom, it is a newborn freedom, but we are committed that we will give it to the people of South Africa. Out of the experience of an extraordinary human disaster, Nelson Mandela says that we had come from a human disaster. Disaster means आफत या मुसीबत, कि हम उस मुसीबत और आफत से बाहर आ गए हैं जो हमने मुद्दतों देखा है साउथ अफ्रीका में. That last too long, वो बहुत अरसा तक जो वहाँ साउथ अफ्रीका में चला. Must be born a society of which all humanity will be proud. But we are now creating a society. We are now born from a society upon which all humanity will be proud. जो हमें अब फख्र होगा, जो समाज अब हम बनाने जा रहे हैं, तश्कील देने जा रहे हैं, तमाम दुनिया इस पर नाज करेगी. Then we who were outlaws, Nelson Mandela at that very time says that we were outlaws. We did not abide by the rules and regulations. Not so long ago have today been given the rare privilege. It is a rare privilege means opportunity कि हमें आज एक नायाब और खास मौका मिल रहा है to be host to the nations of the world, that we are hosting the nations of the world, the guests from all the quarters of the world, from all the corners of the world had gathered there, and Nelson Mandela and his colleagues were hosting this ceremony. We thank all of our distinguished international guests. Nelson Mandela at that very time says he thanks all the guests from the whole world who having come to take position with the people of our country, that we are sharing this occasion. Here we are sharing this glory with the people of all the countries. After all, a common victory for justice, because it was a common victory for the whole world, a victory of justice, victory of peace, and for human dignity. It was the dignity, it was the respect, it was the honor for the whole humanity of the world. So at that very moment, Nelson Mandela is proud of this very great occasion.